Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Logitech G305, which might be one of the best affordable gaming mice on the market. With lightspeed wireless technology, lengthy battery life, and a range of customizable options via G-Hub, this reasonably priced mouse has a lot of solid benefits. So what should you know before you buy it? And after you get it, what can you actually expect from using this mouse? Well, the Logitech G305 comes with a robust build quality and it provides a smooth, glossy finish that should remain comfortable during longer gaming sessions. It's made from solid plastic with no loose or wobbly parts, and I thought it felt comparable to some of the more expensive options. Unfortunately, this mouse is relatively small, so gamers with larger hands might find it slightly uncomfortable depending upon what grip they use. You get a responsive tactile scroll wheel that uses rubber grips for convenient navigation. It also delivers a respectable 10 million click lifespan, so I believe it should hold up over time. Even though it sacrifices customizable RGB lighting for affordability, it does come in a variety of colors to match your aesthetic, and the LED below the scroll wheel can change colors if you toggle through the settings. I was impressed by the Lightspeed technology, which uses a stable pro-grade wireless solution that performs comparably to wired mice. It comes with a 2.4 GHz USB receiver, and it comes with a long USB cable to serve as an extender and to keep the dongle close to reduce lag times. While I would like to see Bluetooth support, the dongle provides a reliable, consistent performance, and you even get a compartment to carry the receiver, which makes this great for traveling gamers. It requires a single AA battery to run, so it isn't rechargeable like some of the competitors, and overall I think the battery life is well suited for most uses, and it should last you around 250 hours on performance mode, which is significantly longer than the Razer Mamba wireless. It also comes with an energy efficient endurance mode that sacrifices some of the performance to prolong the battery life of up to 9 months. There's even an indicator light that notifies you when the battery's low. If you're enjoying this video and you learned something about the G305, be sure to give the video a like. It really helps the channel out, and if you're interested in updated pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description. I think that the G-Hub companion software provides solid utility and it gives you a range of customizable features. The G305 comes with 6 buttons that you can program through the software to your liking. I was able to get my preferred polling rate, view the remaining battery level, and track button presses over time. You can also save a profile using the mouse's onboard memory, along with the ability to save multiple settings for different games and switch between them using G-Hub. Even more, the software adds some versatility and functionality for both Mac and Windows users. I believe Logitech's proprietary Hero sensor is another major benefit, which is a new optical sensor that delivers exceptional performance and power efficiency. I found it to be accurate and consistent, and it's spec'd for a solid sensitivity range of 200 to 12,000 dpi, and it performs well in first-person shooters. It comes with a DPI button beneath the scroll wheel to toggle between 4 different sensitivity settings, so you can use a lower setting for work and then readjust it while gaming. I noticed that the tracking stays responsive and reliable no matter what DPI setting is used, and it also delivers a respectable maximum speed of 400 inches per second, and the maximum gravitational force that can track your motions is rated for 40 G. Overall, I found the performance to be impressive given the price. It delivers an ultra-low latency for a wireless gaming mouse with a 1 millisecond report rate and no perceivable lag, which should suit competitive gamers. The left and right buttons feature mechanical switches and they give a nice tactile feedback. I felt that the mechanical button tensioning provided a reliable real-world performance and it reduced the amount of force per click to register, though it's worth noting the clicks themselves were relatively loud. I also appreciated the low liftoff distance, so the sensor won't track movements when you reposition. So is the Logitech G305 gaming mouse worth the price? Considering the admirable in-game performance, I would say so, although there are some competitors in this range. While it lacks some of the luxurious quality of life features, this is understandable given the affordable price. If you're looking for a mouse with a rechargeable battery and a DPI range of up to 16,000, the Razer Mamba wireless might be worth considering, although it is considerably more expensive with a worse battery life, and it has about half the maximum speed of the G305. The Logitech G703 is a higher end option with customizable RGB lighting and similar in-game functionality, but it also comes at a much higher price. So I would recommend the Logitech G305 gaming mouse if you're looking for something that offers solid features, customizable options, and good in-game performance without breaking the bank. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all of the items mentioned, check out the description. If you learned something or you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.